Hi folks, I got this portable fan here. It is rechargeable. It's quick charge. It has 3 LED light settings. 1, 2, and 3. It's got 4 feet speed fan. And it moves some air. I used this underneath my sink the other day when I was working on it for the light. And it was amazing. If it gets a little too hot, I kick the fan on. You can use this anywhere. Camping. You can use it just for a work light. You can use it for whatever you want. It is an awesome product. Go get yourself one today. I believe they're under $24 if you have a coupon or they're offering a coupon or something. But go check it out. Thank you. The link will be down below.